All right, how's it going, everybody? So I actually have my tailgate back on the vise. So I'm putting my vise on basically on the way left side. So this is the left side of the tailgate. I've had this woodworking vise that I don't use anymore because I have this now. This is just a cheap vise you can get in the store. But the reason I like that for this is because I can replace it and it's not some unique thing. So I'm going to spray this with black. I think I have I got some black paint, and then I'm going to put enamel on it so it doesn't rust. Like you can already see that exposed to the elements, it's not going to last. So I'm going to basically, you can see those holes there. That's going to go in right. See if I can, that goes in right about there, and then one in the bottom, see, like that. So you can see that I got some, I had to go and get some stainless hardware, and now I have to figure out, okay, I gotta drill this through. Originally I just used, I'll show you, these, which probably were fine, right? They're just metal screws. I forget what they're actually called. You know what these are. It's like the multi-material ones, outdoor, with supposedly they're self-tapping, but I couldn't get that to go in this metal. So I mean, you can see how thick that metal is. So I would have been there all day. So drill those out. But the issue with this is, right, I don't want it, it's just kind of, it tightens on itself, and if I strip that, then it'll come loose. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these hex bolts all the way through, tighten down from the other side. So that's what the plan is. These are stainless steel, so we'll see how long they last. I'm not sure. So that's the plan, at least for right now. What I'm going to have to unfortunately do is I'm just going to have to somehow either get a bit and go all the way in, hope that I can get through eventually, because I got to do it on this one over here, because I'm going to put that through the other side, and then once those goes through, I'm going to, I don't know if I probably won't have time tonight, but I'll have to take this off again. This thing's super easy to take off, and then I'll flush cut the top as much as I can when I still have the nut, which I didn't get locking ones. I don't think I got some. I don't even know what I got, guys. I got some hardware. I couldn't find the locking ones, at least not immediately. So I got these. I'll just put Loctite on it, and it'll be fine. Or at least it should be. I don't know if I have any. I don't know if I have. I don't think I have thread tape. Otherwise, I use that. But Loctite permanent should be fine. We'll see. I should have got more of those. I don't know why I didn't, to be honest, now I'm thinking about it. I might have more of that size, but I'm not sure. Yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and drill those in, and then I'll show you when I'm done. Alright, so I managed to actually do a pretty good job at screwing the bottom. You see I took a file, that's why it's all like banged up around it. But it's in pretty good. Not a, if you can hear that, not a lot of play at all. So I'm just putting this a nut on this one. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't get stainless washers either, but I got some of the carbon steel ones. Also, I'm thinking for these, I tried to get the stainless in there, but they aren't fitting, so you can see that this is at a slight angle, and due to the angle, it's going to be I'm not sure, like it's not going to sit in there right. I'm also not sure that I need 2 more of those hex bolts to run up through. It might be a little overkill for this thing. I have some larger self-tapping I think can go in there, but even if not, I might either I'm going to have to bore this hole out more, as well as the hole in the frame, to get that hex bolt in there, or just put a bigger self-tapping in. I'm not sure yet. But either way, I think even without those, having these in is fine. These are more just to keep it from moving on you, so when you're using it. I'm not sure yet. I'll put this on the. Alright, kind of running out of time, unfortunately, but basically, I mean, you kind of get the idea here. So this is the Vise hex bolts. Got those all the way through, tightened up. I don't have Loctite on them yet. I still gotta do a couple things, mainly with that one. I don't have a bolt one yet. If you see, what I had to do is I had to go from behind here, and you're gonna see that right there. It just misses the hole when I tighten everything down. I must have pulled this to one side, so I think I missed my hole a little bit, but it's just enough, you see in there, that I can bore that out real easy, and should be fine. To be honest, I don't even need it, but I already drilled the hole, so I may as well finish it. One positive about this tailgate, again, pretty much do whatever you want to it. So anyway, that's about it. No more updates on this one, so I'm sure I'll be back with something else on this tailgate. All right, everybody, I'll see you.